So the horses are staying in tonight because we're supposed to get a big storm. Chrome is not super excited about it. So let's give him a carrot and brush him off so he's a little happier. I'm sorry, Chromie. I know you want to be out in that grass. I'm sorry. All right, let's give you your carrot. Oh, wow. That's my hand. Does that make it a little bit better? Yeah. He's so mad that I have no more carrots. Can I just brush your crusty? I don't have any more. I'm sorry. Love you. All right. Chromie, that belly. That belly's getting a little out of control. I think we're gonna have to slow down with the treats. I know. See, good. Stay dry in your stall, okay? Yeah. You're a doofus. I can't stay out here and brush you all night, okay? Love you. I know. You're like, yes, you can. All right, Chromie, Aiken, Ada, and Tipsy are all going to be super dry tonight in their stalls. He's all brushed and ready for bed. Say goodnight.